Hello everyone. Today's 1 marks question is from coordinate geometry. The question is, find the distance between A cos theta comma 0 and B 0 comma A sin theta. This is a very important 1 mark question. So let us answer it. Solution. You are given A is equal to A cos theta comma 0. B is equal to 0 comma A sin theta. Now we have to find the distance between these 2 points. Understand? The distance between A and B is symbolically written as like this, simply AB. AB means distance between A and B. What is the formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We use this formula to find the distance between any 2 points in the Cartesian plane. That is equal to. Now call the first point as x1 y1 and the second point as x2 y2. Just you substitute these values in the formula. Square root of, what is x2 here? 0. What is x1 here? A cos theta whole square plus what is y2 here? A sin theta minus y1 means 0 whole square. Understand? That is equal to square root of 0 minus A cos theta means minus A cos theta whole square plus A sin theta minus 0 means A sin theta whole square. That is equal to square root of A square cos square theta plus A square sin square theta. Understand? That is equal to, what is common here? A square is common. So if you take A square common, you get cos square theta plus sin square theta. You know, sin square theta plus cos square theta is the trigonometric identity which is equal to 1. That is equal to square root of A square into 1. That is equal to root of A square. That is equal to A units. So the distance between these 2 points, that is A cos theta comma 0 and 0 comma A sin theta, is A units. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe.